In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on Uber Eats. If you want to pay for your Uber Eats order using Klarna, there are a few simple ways to do it, depending on what type of Klarna access you have. The easiest method is usually to use a Klarna card directly inside the Uber Eats app. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your device. Once you're in, go to your account section, then open Wallet. This is where Uber Eats stores your payment methods. From there, choose the option to add a new payment method. If you already have a physical Klarna card or a virtual Klarna card, enter those card details just like you would with any other debit or credit card. After the card is added successfully, go ahead and place your order. At checkout, simply select your Klarna card as the payment method before confirming the purchase. If you don't already have a Klarna card saved, another option is to create a one-time virtual card through the Klarna app, if that feature is available in your country. To do this, open the Klarna app and create a one-time virtual card for your purchase. These cards are designed for single-use or limited-use payments, which can be helpful for online orders. After generating the card, go back to Uber Eats and add that virtual card as a regular credit or debit card in your payment settings. Once it's added, complete your order using that card. There's also a third option if your Klarna card is connected to a mobile wallet. If you've linked your Klarna card to Apple Pay or Google Pay and Uber Eats supports that wallet in your region, you may be able to check out through the mobile wallet instead. In that case, the payment is still funded through your Klarna linked card, but the wallet acts as the bridge during checkout. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that Klarna features can vary based on your country, card availability, and how Uber Eats supports payment methods in your area. So if one option doesn't appear for you, try one of the others. The main idea is simple. Either add your Klarna card directly, create a one-time virtual card in Klarna, and add it manually, or use a mobile wallet if your Klarna card is already linked there. Once your payment method is set up, ordering with Klarna on Uber Eats is just like using any other card. And that's how to use Klarna on Uber Eats.